Привет! Hello! In our previous video that you can check in the link below, we were having some problems with our sphere hitting a wall. And that wall was the bullet solver creating a simplified version of our collider object, and does it to optimize the calculation. So how can I go about that and solve this problem? Well, let's see. Stay tuned. There are several ways we can go in dealing with this problem. One is actually on the collider properties, we have the option to switch to a concave object. And here we go. It's calculating now the real shaped object. It sounds very simple, but there is a trick behind that trick. And if you get the documentation for the bullet solver in Houdini, it does give you a warning there that it does not recommend that use. And that's because Bullet was designed to be fast and simplify the shapes. So if you're dealing with a complex object that does give a concave shape, there is one trick we can go about that. So let's go back to the object itself. And now we pull a scattering point and we just fraction that. You can see how the little pieces is going to create. And if you see the Voronoi fracture, actually, is going to give you all convex shapes. You can check it out this with the explosion view. And they're all convex shapes. And you just connect this as an input of your collider object. And if you go back to the solver, now you can go back and just make sure you check for calculate each individual pieces. If you really want to optimize it, we would not need to fracture like the pole or things like this. We could create a solid object and just the ring, we would do this. And here you go. If you're dealing with a very complex object, that'd probably be the best way to go, because you're going to use the power of the bullet solver on calculate convex shapes as a collider on that. Well, that was the following up for the last video. Please give your comments, and we're glad to hear. Thanks for watching, and see you soon with one more tips and tricks in Houdini. Take care.